Hello, Tiffany here with Cards Crafty Creations. Today's video is just going to be well, I guess it's not going to be a quick video. It's pretty much my standard length of time video, but I'm actually going to be making some Valentine Day cards using this. It's a kind of an old paper pack for me. It came in a Simon Says Stamp monthly card kit from I don't even know when, but it's Simple Stories. Oh, actually, I can tell you, I have the paper right here. It's Simple Stories Happy Heart 6x8 double-sided paper. Actually, this card kit doesn't tell me what year it was, but anyway, that's the paper collection that I'll be using, and along with that came that glittery pink paper, and then some of that cardstock that I showed you. I did pull some colors out of my stock to add to it because I didn't think I was going to have enough. I did have enough, but I did get some additional colors in there. But anyway, these are going to be fairly simple cards. But I think they still turn out really cute for being simple. I pretty much just take the cut aparts, which there is 8 cut aparts here. So I'm actually making 8 cards just to use up the pack. And when I do this, I make it pretty simple. I just cut the cut aparts apart, and then I pick out the paper I want to use, and I cut it to 4 by 5 1/4, because then I do an 1/8 inch additional matting behind it, and then I just take like the extra pieces of that and then add those to the card. I mean, I make them very simple. And I did still have some paper left over, not a lot, but a couple half pages. So I can use that on something else. But anyways, so I am going to go ahead and make these cards, and then you'll see later in the video that when I add the cut apart onto the card base, I like to have something on the edge of the card if it is not matted. I did not mat them. I matted a few only because of the size on the card required it, but most of them are not matted, and instead I take some, I think it is like, it might be 1/8 inch, maybe a little bigger, washi tape, and then I kind of run those along the side of the cut apart. That way they're just finished off and look nicer. Sorry about my cats. They're just, my younger cat thinks the older cat is its best friend, and my older cat doesn't want any friends, and so my younger cat really doesn't understand that, so he constantly is just following her around like a shadow, and she doesn't like it, so you'll hear her in the background complaining about it. Anyway, then, like I said, I make them really simple. I cut out all my pieces, then I lay out the cardstock, and then I line up what cardstock I want for this grouping, and then I set that aside, and then I assemble it all. So that's what you're seeing me do here. But anyway, so I finished it off, those cut aparts off with the washing tape, and then to finalize it and add them just a little bit more something special, I go through and add some stickers. Excuse me, some stickers that I got from Hobby Lobby, just to give them that just a little bit more character. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, here's the washi tape that I use. It's actually from Hobby Lobby. It comes in like packs. I want to say there's like 5 washi tape rolls in a pack, and so they kind of work out really nicely to finish those edges off sometimes. If I don't mat, like I said, if I don't mat, then I will finish it off with either this washi tape, or I have some very thin stickers, thin line stickers. Anyway, okay, now I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.